Hello guys, my name is Sohan and welcome to my channel. And today I am going to tell you about my learnings that I have learned from Y Combinator video. So I was, watching a video like 2 days ago um, from Y Combinator channel where a man named Jack Heller, who is the founder of Case Text, who is the founder of Case Text, and which is related to legal stuff. They use AI or something like to to run their business. So he was the founder of Case Text. So he was just sharing his lessons, like how he figured out the problem and how he built AI around it, and how he scaled. So he just gave the the points, like what are the things that you need to keep in your mind while making an AI startup. So that's a story I will just tell, or that or that's learning I will just share with you. So just watch video till the end. I hope you will get some values out of it. Yeah, so the first thing he tells, like, write the big idea, like the problem that you are solving. Okay, so for example, it's not like this it's AI buzzword now. So you pick any random topic and just put a cherry which is AI on it, and you can just sell anyone and you can just raise the fundings. It's not like that. You need to find out the right problem that is people is facing. For example, the call centers. Okay, so in call centers now, the companies are paying like 30,000 rupees per employee. So if some 100 employees are working, then it is like 30 lakhs. So this way they are paying lot of money to employers, and the cost of the maintenance of the companies and all that stuff rises. So you can make so in this case, he specially give an example, like the call center, and he just mentions like you can make a AI assistant or AI caller who solves the problem of your customer on behalf of human, and the cost will be like fraction of the cost you are paying to the employees, like 30,000 per employee. Then it will be like 5,000 a month. So it will be very useful for the companies, and very profitable for the companies who are running the BPO centers and the call centers. So this way he just given the example, like how to figure out the problem and how to make a solution around it. um, like this is the first point, and he just mentions like it is directly proportional, like if your problem or the problem you're solving is biggest, then the solution and the business around it will be also the biggest. Like it will be more profitable, and it will be used by more people. And second, there are three flavors of AI startup, like where you have to make a product. He has given the three points or three brackets. You can just figure out where your product falls under this. So the first one is AI assistant. So AI assistant basically means like the video editors. Okay, uh, if you are a video editor, then your assistant is like some mid journey platform, or the tool which helps you to make b-rolls, all that stuff. So they are all assistant. Okay, so in that domain you can make the product. And the second one is like uh, replaceable AI, where you can replace a human with a AI. If I give an example of call center, then it can be replaced by a human, like whole human. You can just take a subscription from any AI platform, and it will automatically arranges to your system, and you can just use that AI platform rather than a human being. Yeah, so the third category is do unthinkable. Okay, so it is extremely literally like out of the box thinking. Like for example, make a AGI type something, or automatic AI editor, something like that, that it things automatically, edits the video automatically. So this way it is, so your product fit into this third category. And the third thing is tells like reliable is more, important than. And third point he mentions like reliable AI is more important in any product. Okay, so if your AI is not working properly and the results are not, getting correctly, then your product is not worth it. Okay, so people will use it and throw. So that's an important point he made. And the fourth point is like product quality is always be, your number one priority for your customers. If you are not, giving a top notch product and you are charging a lot, and if your product is not, performing well, then I think, uh, you know you will lose your impression and you will not be able to sell that product to larger audience, and your company may be, shut down. So that's the most important point he mentioned. Then he mentions like pricing and trust. Like pricing and trust should be, in parallel. You need to price your product like the value your product, you need to, place your pricing uh, equal to, the value you are providing. If you are providing, x value, then you need to keep your product price uh, relatively to, x value, something related to your x value. It's not like that you are giving very low value and you are keeping your price very high, so it's not right. The last point he mentions like just go and just solve the big problems. Okay, so it's not like that if in your field there are your competitors like very big players and you cannot make the product that you want. It's not like that. You can make your product, you can give it your own uniqueness, and you can just scale it. That's the, advice he has given in the end of the video. So I think I have learned very much from this, video. Like you don't need to be, in the buzzword. You can just make your own product, you can just make your own solutions, and provide the right solution to the right people is your goal. If I say, more specifically, then it will be your company's goal. And give, top notch product, and you will get around the things by yourself. So yeah, so if you like the video, then just hit like, share and subscribe. And I will just upload more videos related to AI and AI terms in future videos. So thank you.